There we go. Good luck, Steven. Last box of Sons of Anarchy trading cards, seasons 1 through 3. Where did the knife go? There it is. 13 and 15. You got this? Hell yeah. I went with I'm a Cracker and me went to go have Gen Korean barbecue the other day. Empty. It was his first time there. We picked out. Good luck, Steven. Jackpot54. It was all of a sudden. Gen what? Yeah. Yes, we need an oxygen tank relic card. Gen what? Gen? It's dope. I kill you. Oh, there's an autograph. Yeah, right. That's what I was telling you. You had to come back the other night. I was going to invite you to go have hamburgers with me. You didn't want to go. We had hamburgers. So the other day, on Tuesday. Hell yeah, Jumbo, let's go. I'm down. Just tell me when. So on Tuesday when you left, Jeff, after I gave you your backpack, we went to go have hamburgers and not your father's root beer. Is it? Ah, it was good. Here's our relic card. It is Gemma and Terra dual relic. DM2 dual materials. I only had like 2 or 3 of them. Nope. There's only 24 of them made, Tyler. Juice. Foil. Damn, we pulled 2 of them. How funny. How great was that? We pulled 2 of them. 2 of the 24. In this room. We should have another foil and a tattoo coming up. And we pulled 2 of the redemptions too. 2 out of the 24 redemptions. Or was it 1? Can't remember if it was 2 or 1. There's our tattoo right here, TT01. I'm showing off? No, I do that on Instagram. Hey, Jumbo. Hold on, I'll give you my phone number and you just text me and say, let's go, and I'm down. Foil, the Prince. And this last pack should have nothing also. Nothing. Cool. Alright, our autograph is protected by Double Play. Double Play is protecting our autograph. And our actually, oh, Kenneth Choi. Look at that. I think he's SP in this stuff. Henry Lin. Nice. A15. Speaking about that Korean food, look what happened. I believe he's SP. Gotta double check. Nice. Good stuff. All empty. Thank you, Steven.